Fred Flintstone type of eating here we're gonna be doing. These are about a pound and a half each. Jumbos, baby. My sister travels far and wide to get these. 200 miles. I can't even tell her that I'm cooking these, so don't y'all tell her. Oh, yeah. Because she'll be like, you welcome you tell me you cooking turkey legs. She'll drive up here. And then I gotta cook her 4 of them just for her. You know. So we're gonna show you all the process of how to get these tender and everything. So first off, I'm gonna put a little avocado oil on here as a binder. Just a little bit. It's gonna be pretty simple, y'all. We're gonna have to hit it with that Lowry's. All right, let's get it all seasoned up. Kind of like just a dusting, y'all, because we're gonna add a rub on top of this. Like that. Turkey leg number 2. A little light dusting. All right. Now we got that Kinder's Hickory Molasses. Now we're going heavy with this because it's low sodium. 3% sodium. Rub smell good, don't it?
Yes, it does.
Get all up in there. That's all that good flavor gonna be. All right. And we're gonna need a little pepper. You know, we gotta kick it up just a little bit. We gotta kick it. See, we ain't doing nothing too complicated. It's gonna be easy peasy. So we ain't throwing these on right away. We gonna get on up in the morning. We gonna let that flavor soak in. That's it. And let's throw all this extra seasoning in there with it. Check this out. I'm gonna see y'all in the morning. So I don't know if I'm gonna bake them. I don't know if I'm gonna smoke them. We'll see how I feel because you know it's cold outside. Just stay tuned. I'll see you in the morning though. We got this ice on the cover. Get on out here and do it. Okay, y'all, we got some leftover B&B charcoal logs. All right, got that one going. And we gonna let this thing do what it's do. 14 degrees out here, y'all. Throw a couple more of those in there. So we're doing all kind of experiments today. We're gonna see how well this charcoal relights and this extreme cold winter barbecuing. You can be crazy like me if you want. This ain't meant for everybody. It's cold out here, but we're gonna get it done anyway. Don't recommend this for everybody. If you're crazy like me, go ahead and get on out there. And we're gonna keep on smoking, even in this rigid cold. We're gonna go with a strong piece of hickory to get this cook going. Coming up to temp, we're gonna get it about 250. Then we're gonna get these jumbo turkey legs on here. All right, y'all, it's time to go and get this on here. We at 250. Ooh. They just hanging out by themselves, just like that. So I'm gonna let them rock like that for about an hour. Flip them, probably another hour, then wrap them. Simple as that. 1 hour in. See what we're looking like. Okay. They got some heat to them too. Flippity flip. Getting that color. All right. Another hour, and then we on to the wrap. All right, let's get ready. Take these off. Let me see. How long we been on here? 2 hours. We're about 150. So at this point, I kind of like got the color I want. I'm about to wrap. Keep it simple. You know what? I lied. I'm gonna throw just a little of this balsamic vinegar in there with it. How about that? Tight, tight wrap. You like that? You like that tight wrap? All right. Get back outside. And we're gonna do this like any other tender big meat. We cooking this to 205. So I'm figuring I got these wrapped. It should take about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. All right, we'll be back and we're gonna be inside after that. All right, it's time to get it off. We've been an hour and a half. So let's see if we at where we want to be. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So this gonna fall off the bone. So we're just gonna go ahead, let it rest about an hour so I can do my rice and all that stuff to go with it. So and we're gonna be good. I see y'all inside. I ain't got used to the cold now. Look at it, it's still hot, ain't it, baby? Ooh-wee. What it do, boo-boo? Got me some black-eyed peas, y'all. We want to see if this is tender.
That's very tender.
Mm-hmm. Think about that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that. See that smoke ring there, baby?
Mm-hmm.
Smoke ring. Hickory smoke. Well, that's how you get it tender and fall off the bone. I'm out, y'all. About to eat my dinner. Peace.